Today in this video I'm going to be showing you my organisation tips for how to leave a home before you go on holiday. I'm going to be sharing with you my tips on how to leave your home tidy for when you return for your holidays. You may own a home, you may rent a home, you may be away on a holiday rental, you may be going to rent a holiday rental and you're looking for ideas on how to clean it before you leave. You may even own a holiday home yourself and you may want to write like a quick checklist for your customers. So whatever reason you have for wanting to leave your home tidy or even pick up some organisation tips on how to organise and clean your home, then this is the video for you. So stay tuned and I hope my tips are useful. I'm going to continue clearing out the fridge and getting rid of all the food that we're not going to use or just like the leftover bits. I'm going to recycle that food and then I'm going to wash and recycle the pots. By cleaning out the fridge before I leave obviously means that we will come home to a nice fresh clean fridge. Another tip I always do when I travel is that I book my Ocado food order to arrive the day that we're returning back from holiday, which means we don't have to run around trying to find bread or milk. Everything is here in one place ready to go in the fridge. Try to make sure you do leave a good 5 or 6 hours between arriving home and your delivery. Or maybe it's a good idea to ask a neighbour if they could just keep a little eye out for your food delivery in case it arrives and you're not home. So I'm going to be doing stuff like cleaning my oven so that it's clean for when we return home. I'm going to load the dishwasher and get that clean. I'm going to empty the recycling. That's a really important thing to do. And lots of other little tips you will pick up along the way if you just stay tuned. I'm going to do a quick speed clean. Going on holiday, always remember switch off and unplug. It's a really good idea to make sure all indoor plants are watered and they're just slightly in the shade just in case you get a hot spell when you're away. We don't want them burning in the sun, so we're going to give them all a really good water and we're going to soak them so that when you put a dish or a flower plate, plant catch it underneath, you know that the water is going to drip to the bottom and catch it, and that will just water itself for a few days and hopefully still be thriving when we get home. We have a work phone in our kitchen, so I'm just going to make sure that we divert all our calls for when we're away, or divert and let our clients know that we'll get back to them as soon as we get home. Leaving a note or a snippet of information for your guests or your clients or your house sitter, make sure you leave it somewhere on display where it can be clearly seen. So one thing I do not look forward to when returning from holiday is all the washing, the laundry, the ironing. I really like to make sure the laundry basket is empty before I leave the house and that I'm up to date with all the ironing so that when I get back I can fill up the laundry basket again with all our dirty washing from our holiday. I've just finished up the utility room by emptying tumble dryer and making sure all clothes are put away now. I've cleaned all the dog's bowls and put all those away for the week, stuff that we won't be using. If you're in a holiday rental, you can make sure your washing machine and tumble dryer have been emptied and that basically you've stocked up on things you've used like coffee, dishwasher tablets. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks and organisation videos.